Suck on my nuts. That's my balls in his mouth. Yeah, you can suck my balls. Balls! Balls! In your mouth. Mouth. Balls! Balls! In your mouth. Mouth. That is my balls in your mouth. Yeah, enjoy the taste of my nuts.
Bro?
Maybe my balls in your mouth for a few more minutes. Enjoy the taste of my nuts.
Gamma.
Balls! Balls! In your mouth. Mouth. With my nuts on your face. To suck my nuts. You suck on my nuts. Then tell me how my nuts taste. Now I'd like to know how my balls taste. You fucktard. You are a spastic. And you're getting teabagged by a flat earther. Now enjoy the taste of my nuts, you stupid spastic. Yeah, chuckle for me, fundy fuck. You're being teabagged by me. Balls. Balls. In your mouth. Mouth. Balls. Balls. In your mouth. Mouth. As a result, you're being asked how my nuts taste, you fucking weirdo. You suck on my nuts. You suck on my nuts. That's really, yes, that's really. I stuck my balls in your mouth afterwards. To suck my nuts. Bleat how unfair it is while you gag on my bollocks. Balls. Balls. In your mouth. Balls. Balls. In your mouth. Come on and suck on my nuts. Come on and suck on my nuts. To suck my nuts. Yeah, you're getting fucking teabagged. Don't insult me or ad hom me as I teabag you. Yeah, I'll just gag you with my nuts. That's what I'll do. Enjoy my balls in your mouth, do you?